Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Kawasaki ZX-14R. This hypersport just arrived with only 5,147 miles. Beautiful condition, matte black finish, ABS, Kawasaki traction control. It's got a smoke windscreen and some customized decals and seat. And wait till you hear that awesome Leo Vinch exhaust. Low mileage, beautiful condition. Come on by and make your hypersport dreams come true for just $10,500 plus tax and fees. This bike is awesome. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.